My great mate Warwick asked me if I could help him fix the dust hanging system on his Queen Bee CNC machine. He had broken the one he had when travelling the head across the bed and contacting a fixed object. Well, if you have a 3D printer, nothing is impossible. So I decided that a good design was one where the dust hanger could be put on and off quickly. John Lafferty from the Yellow Box Shed had designed a dust boot for his machine with a magnetic attachment, so I borrowed his idea for this one. I made two parts: a fixed part that attaches to the existing T-track rail using the standard knob and T-bolt, and a removable L-shaped part that the existing dust shoe will attach to. You still have all the original adjustable functionality, but with a quick release and adjust on the run if you need it, and automatic breakaway if you run into a fixed object. It's pretty simple, but it works quite well. Links are in the description below for those that want to get hold of or make one of their own. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or down, and any comments are always welcome. Catch you again soon.